How's it going, guys? Bruno here from Bruno's Classic Car Garage. Alright, I just wanted to get back on this cab here and sort out. I got the door hung. I'm trying to sort out what was going on with the rocker here, because that's, again, somebody welded that on. And I kind of had some suspicions that it was in the wrong place, because there's the cab corners hanging down here. And I mean, yeah, these parts aren't 100%, but they're not this bad. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. So I knew there was a problem because it actually, I got it in the right place back here. And it's, you know, I can't really move it anywhere else, you know, other than here a little bit. Just squeeze that in, but we're way out here, man. So I got the door on. I didn't want to go any further with the corner until I had the door on, and sure as shit, see? She's hitting, man. She's hitting, she's rubbing. Not just that, the rocker is going too far in, like in towards the cab here. As it comes this way, it's going in. So that's not good either. And it's pretty much like we're lucky if we can get a piece of paper in there. And even on the inside, I'm not sure what's happening here, but the door is pretty much touching right here. So that'll be another thing to sort out. I mean, that could be a problem with the rocker itself or something there, right? You know, because these rockers are not really the best either. And maybe the guy had a problem in here, or he didn't really cut it in the right place to bring it down where it should be. I don't know. Now I got to deal with that. So I guess once that shows up, I'll be, well, I guess I could probably cut that shit out of there in the meantime, but that's what happens when you kind of take over something somebody else has been working on. You kind of don't really know, right? But I was told it was all done and lined up and everything was good from the guy who was working on it. And so yeah, there you have it. So, but I've got the door, kind of funny, look at the size of this gap, and the door is already kind of, I think it's already backed up. Yeah, it's already backed up towards the cab as far as the hinges will let it. So I guess we'll see when everything's together. I'm gonna have to, I might have to grind the hinge to bring it, get this gap a little bit nicer kind of thing. But this one here, see, this one's just a shade high right here. The door's a little bit higher here, and it's a little bit lower here, but there's been some stuff done on here already, so I'm just like, you got to basically split the difference, but that one there is perfect. So yeah, basically that's where we're at. And then these got to kind of line up. We got moldings going here, that's got to line up. I mean, there's not a million places where this door can go here. Let's see here, this looks really good, other than this thing here looks wider than this, but once I do body work in here, it should look okay. Yeah, I'm going to do the body work with everything together on this one, because it's got to be right, man. It's got to be right. And then look at the post here, sticking out. See? The post is bent or something over here. Post is bent, man. And I got a funny feeling the door, yeah, I think the door's got to come down on this end and then tilted back up on this side. But anyways, yeah, we got some work to do. We got some work to do, man. So I guess, yeah, see, it's kind of rubbing on the rocker there, and it's pulling the door up. Yeah, nice. See, the door is actually lining up nice right here. Nice. Yeah, see here it's a shade. Well, I don't know. It's hard to tell because this is so rounded over right here. You got a body line here, and this is rounded over. And let's see, it actually lines up pretty good in here. The door might be, it actually lines up pretty damn good right here. So, yeah, that's why you got to do body work, everything together, and make everything line up. That's the way it goes, guys. That's the way it goes. If you've been doing this long enough, you're going to come across this kind of stuff, that's for sure. Alright, so that's about it. I think I'm going to do some work maybe on the dash here or something. I got body work I can do on here, cut the holes for the radio. There's been a whole bunch of welding. Guy welded a bunch of stuff in the dash here, so there's a bunch of body work that needs to be done on here. So I think I'll do that, and I could probably do a little bit of body work in here just to get this where the welding was all done here on each side. Can do all that. So I got stuff I can do for sure. I'll just keep plugging away, man. Plugging away. Alright guys, that's it for now. And thanks for watching the videos. Share, like, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Hey guys, if there's anything you like about the videos you're watching, please share, like, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.